how do I use Instagram stories for marketing my business?
Ooh, that's a good one.
You don't.
You don't.
No, just kidding.
Well,
Yeah, you played yourself. No.
you can.
No, I'm playing. So, one of the reasons I like Snapchat and Instagram stories is that it captures the attention of the person full screen, like for this whole thing. When you're watching it, it's the whole screen, which is why I also like Instagram TV. Make sure you check out our latest episode about that.
Yeah.
It has the whole screen. You're not competing against a news feed. Yeah, so when you're on Instagram, this is what's happening. You're like competing against other people's content, especially for people who are doing like these widescreen shots. It's already like you already have these other people peeking in. That's why I encourage you guys to go full square shots or even taking up portrait size shots. So you want to do this, right, don't you?
No, I could just keep going.
So.
Oh, for that.
No, if you, I'm gonna keep going.
Okay.
So either way, oh man, there's more, guys.
All right, keep going. I told you to keep going.
This is my eyebrows.
I'm gonna do your eyebrows.
Okay.
Go. Finish your thought.
Yeah. Okay. Let's finish this thought. I like using the stories feature to show more behind the scenes content, because a lot of the stuff that people curate on their feed is very pretty.
Not a lot of people enjoy that too much.
It portrays the type of feeling that you want people to get from you, but when it comes to the stories and or Instagram or Snapchat stories, that's where your opportunity to take people behind the scenes, because one of the reasons people loved Snapchat to begin with is because it wasn't perfect. It wasn't perfect lighting. It didn't. There was no makeup. You weren't able to
upload from.
Yeah.
From your camera roll to Snapchat, you literally just took whatever. Like you used to not be able to, and I think more people demanded it because people like me.
And how I would use that for your business is to show the behind the scenes content of what goes on. So I don't know what type of business you're running, but if it's a restaurant, show how certain food is made. Highlight to some of the chefs or some of the line cooks who are comfortable talking on camera,
or literally just show
the host.
Just show like anyone in the kitchen having fun.
Yeah, so it allows people to see the human part of your business, and that's the fun part. There's the portrayal of your business, and then there's the behind the scenes bloopers or the realness. You're just human, I'm a regular person too kind of feel, and that's how you can use it to build the brand story about your business. So quick pause, go.
Pew.